Have you ever felt trapped by your phone company? Like you're stuck in a contract with no way out? Well, today we're going to talk about a question that's been on a lot of people's minds. Can I port my number from Ooma to Google? Ooma and Google are both popular choices for phone service, but they offer different features and benefits. So, if you're considering switching from Ooma to Google or vice versa, it's important to understand the process and whether it's possible. Understanding porting. Explain what porting is in simple terms. Discuss the benefits of porting your number, such as keeping your contacts and avoiding the hassle of getting a new number. Mention any potential drawbacks or challenges associated with porting. Ooma and Google. A comparison. Briefly compare Ooma and Google's features, pricing, and customer service. Highlight any specific features or benefits that might make one provider more appealing than the other. The porting process. Step-by-step guide on how to port a number from Ooma to Google. Include screenshots or visual aids to illustrate the process. Address common questions or concerns that viewers might have, such as how long the porting process takes or what to expect during the transition. Factors affecting porting. Discuss factors that can affect the porting process, such as your account status with Ooma, the type of number you have, landline or mobile, and any outstanding fees or charges. Provide tips on how to ensure a smooth porting experience. Frequently asked questions. Address common questions viewers might have about porting from Ooma to Google, such as, can I port my Ooma number to Google Voice? Will I lose my voicemail messages or call history during the porting process? What happens if my porting request is denied? Provide clear and concise answers to each question. Recap. Summarize the key points discussed in the video, emphasizing whether it's possible to port a number from Ooma to Google. Call to action. Encourage viewers to leave comments or questions if they have any further inquiries. Closing statement. End the video with a strong and memorable statement that leaves viewers feeling informed and empowered. So, there you have it. While it's certainly possible to port your number from Ooma to Google, it's important to consider your specific needs and preferences before making the switch. Remember, the power to choose is in your hands. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.